Oh, am I recording? I am recording. All right. Oh yeah, I've got a microphone right here. Let me see if this just connects automatically. Face auto detect. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Is this gonna work? No, when it comes on. Oh, because I'm not even pushing the power button. All right. Let's see here. Okay, now it's on. Okay, now if I push this red button. Transmitter connected and used for audio input, 60% battery remaining. Okay, check, check, check. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. Oh, that does seem like it's working. Check. Check. Oh, that's good. I like that. So this is a pretty powerful microphone. All right, good. Yeah, so when I was a kid, shit happened, and now I'm bitter. So, you know what I'm saying? I wear these glasses so I can see shit. No, so I can look like a clown. Oh, no, where does this thing go? What is this supposed to do? What is this? Oh, that clicks to that. Active track enabled. What's active track? Subject lost by the subject. So, active track. Hold on a second. Let's look at this. So that does turn. Active track. Is that? Let's just flip that. That's still okay. Interesting. All right. So put that down right there. Fly me to the moon. Okay. So does that mean start? Camera focus. Here we go. Track enabled. Okay. So if I'm up like this. Okay. Can you hear me? Check, check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So if I'm walking and talking, you could still hear me. I don't know what this battery thing does. I don't know what that does. So if I just put this right here. Okay, let's see if you can hear me now. And so if I'm just walking and talking, and we don't want it like that, so we're gonna put this. Now we are still face track enabled. And so I'm walking and I'm talking and this shit is following me. Okay. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. And so then if I pick up the camera and move it over here, I can sit here, I can still talk to myself, edit it later. Oh, I like this. Why is that say updated? I don't understand that. There we go. Okay. So, and I assume the microphone is on. That would be rather disappointing. But yeah, so, I walk around, I talk, I drink coffee, shoot the shit, tell stories about myself, about how my life used to go. Talking to my girlfriend here who's in the Philippines. That bitch. Fly me to the moon. Yeah, that's all I really know. I don't know anything else. I don't know more of that. Okay, 43%. Okay. So I shall just tell you about myself. I shall tell you about myself. All right, well, we'll see how this goes. I like it so far.